I'm Julia Lloyd. I just graduated from Holy Family. I chose the faith value at the Faith and Liberty Discovery Center.
Hello, my name is Douglas Ha. I'm an artist from Republic of Korea. I'm a student at Cairn University. I chose faith. Other than love, it is the core value which drove all other words and kind of like influence your forefathers and even my forefathers.
Well, the concept for the piece on faith really stemmed from my previous courses, but I work at a church, so seeing faith or the faith in people and the faith in people's eyes just around me every Sunday, it really inspired me.
It was hard for me to define the word faith because my default definition is from the Bible verse Hebrews 11 verse 1. Faith is assurance of hope, conviction to what cannot be seen.
My panel, or my description of the faith is the story of Abraham bringing Isaac up to the point of sacrifice.
I find graffiti, the character of graffiti very similar, is that you know there is an answer, but you don't know what that answer is.